How to view Wi-Fi password on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to view Wi-Fi password on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In iOS 16, iPad OS 16.1 and later, you can use your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID to see and copy Wi-Fi passwords. So to do that, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and further tap on the Wi-Fi option. Now, tap on the Info button or the eye like icon beside the Wi-Fi you are currently connected to. You will see the Password tab. Tap on the password and you will be asked to enter your Face ID. So go ahead and enter your Face ID, and once entered, you will be able to view the password of the network you are connected to. You can tap on the copy option and further copy the password, and this is how you can view Wi-Fi password on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.